best mom because she drives him all around to different motorcycle shops when he comes to visit her.
This is true. Fact. I see a Triumph Bobber, I see a Thruxton R in the white. I see a lot of Ducatis. Now let's see if they have the new Triumph Speed Twin, because that's the most exciting bike that I have. Most excited I am for a new bike. So we are at A&S Performance. A&S, what's it say on the side?
BMW.
Oh no, it's A&S something. But it's BMW, Triumph, and Ducati all in one shop. I've been here before and the shop is amazing.
A&S, BMW Motorsports, A&S Triumph, A&S Ducati.
A&S. All right, let's go look at A&S. Congrats, John. The Street Cup. Now those are some bars. No Triumph Speed Twin yet. They do have the new Street Scrambler, which is very nice in the matte green silver kind of split. Sat on a bobber with some extremely high bars, which was kind of fun. But next up, we're gonna go look at some Ducatis. Mom, what do you think of this yellow? Heidi, what do you think of this yellow? It's ugly. You had it right from your mom's mouth. It's an ugly yellow. I'm gonna sit on it. Much smaller than I expected. It's actually an interesting riding position. Alright. Alright. Cool. I don't like the seat. That'd get replaced. So I like this because it's more upright riding position. Cool. Yeah, it's more of an upright riding position, which is nice. I can touch both sides, which is good. Cool.
Just guys to know, Berlin Biker Mom, she thinks that this is a cool color. This is real good.
your favorite bike?
Yeah.
What is it? Just a Triumph bobber.
Not to be confused with the sewing machine bobbin.
Not to be confused with the sewing machine bobbin. The Triumph bobber. People from Triumph, I know you watch my videos. If you want to throw me the keys to the 1200cc bobber for a few days, I wouldn't say no. I promise I'd come pick it up at the factory in England. Go do a nice long tour around the Scottish Highlands. All of the content could be yours. Just give me a phone call. All right, that was the tour of BMW, Ducati, and Triumph A&S. Not to be confused with AS or A&S or anything else like that. This is a great dealership. They're a little understaffed today, but the one guy I talked to was very friendly. I'm glad they had the new Triumph Street Scrambler. It was really cool. I didn't get to sit on because the seat was off because some guy already bought it. What else? I think that was it. All right, time to leave. Thanks guys for watching. Berlin Biker is out.